My name is Nick and I'm with shopperschoice.com, and today I'd like to welcome you to my outdoor kitchen. What we've got that I'd like to talk with you about is my Fire Magic stainless steel built-in charcoal barbecue grill. There are a lot of times that I just have a feeling that I'd really like to cook something on charcoal, and this is their stainless steel 30 by 18 inch charcoal barbecue. As far as how this unit is set up, you've got an all stainless steel housing and you have stainless steel internals on the inside. Let's take a look. Your cooking grids are made out of a heavy stainless steel roll rod type of grid. Keep in mind, guys, that I do use this barbecue grill quite a lot, and that's why they've got a little bit of dirtiness on them. As far as cleaning them, it's real easy. Whenever you're cooking, after I'm done, I'll take and adjust and bring my charcoal tray close to my cooking grids and burn it off and just brush them right down. And mentioning that adjustable charcoal tray, that's actually one of the tremendously neat features that Fire Magic has come up with on their charcoal grill. What you've got is a door that'll open here on the front of the unit. And you've got a crank on the right-hand side. By turning this crank, it actually brings your charcoal tray either closer or further away from your cooking grids. Really neat feature, because if I want to do steaks, I can bring my coals real close to my cooking surface, or if I want to slow cook, I can take and drop this tray down lower to achieve a lower temperature on my cooking surface. Something else that is really neat about this is that by dropping the tray all the way to the bottom, you can actually add charcoal as you're cooking without having to remove your cooking grids and the food that is on it. Really neat feature. If you're going to be cooking for a long time, open the door, drop your charcoal tray down, and add your coals to it. Really neat design. The next great thing about this Fire Magic stainless charcoal unit is the ash collection pan down at the bottom. It pulls out from the front, and that's where all your ashes go while grilling. What I like to do is actually line the bottom of the pan with aluminum foil. This keeps me from having to clean the pan itself, and after I'm done cooking, after my coals and all my embers that may be hot in here have died down, I can actually take and just wad up all of the aluminum foil with the ashes and throw it away. It makes cleanup really easy. Now what I'd like to do for you folks is get some charcoal in this grill, and we can see how it operates. What I've done is got my grill going with some charcoal, and because I'm only cooking for myself and one or two other people, I've actually just got charcoal on the far right-hand side of the barbecue grill. Your charcoal trough is actually divided in half to where if you want to, you can just put coals on one side. This makes it nice when you're not cooking for as many people. What I've got is I've got my coals going. We're in good shape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some chicken on, set my grill up, and then we'll be ready to go. Alright guys, once I get my food on, I like to take and adjust my my coal tray to the desired setting. Close the lid. I'll check on it every so often. Alright folks, let's check in on the chicken that we're doing on this wonderful stainless steel Fire Magic built-in charcoal grill. Well, that's looking pretty good. Give it a little turn. I tell you, this is going to turn out delicious.